with hypnosishelps.info to share with you a very interesting case in which hypnosis played a significant role in reversing a case of infertility with a 26-year-old female who had made multiple medical attempts at attempting infertility reversal, all unsuccessfully. First of all, I want to make it clear that in this case, the hypnosis was not part of medical treatment and was not performed as medical treatment. And I want to make it clear that this case was about psychogenic infertility. It was about the mental part of the medical condition known as infertility. Generally speaking, it is my opinion that hypnosis should be a routine part of medical treatment for infertility and other medical conditions. But as far as I know, in the medical treatment of infertility, the psychogenics of infertility is about the last thing to get treatment attention, if any. In this case, because the patient was told by her medical doctors that there was no identified medical reason for her difficulty in getting pregnant after several failed attempts over about a 3-year period, she chose to give psychiatric hypnosis a chance at making some sense out of her condition. And this is something I love about hypnosis. It can be utilized in the treatment of any medical condition. It has broad applicability, as can be readily seen in this case as follows. Instead of doing traditional hypnotherapeutic treatment, such as using the power of direct suggestions, such as you are going to become successfully pregnant, and you are going to have a beautiful baby, etc., 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 I chose to utilize the psychiatric hypnotherapeutic approach of using the hypnodiagnostic aspect of hypnosis in an effort to find out if there were any psychogenic factors that might have some influence on her ability to become successfully pregnant. And what I discovered was quite profound. Indeed, this is a truly amazing case for those who do not have belief or faith in the role of mental factors in human physical functioning and medical conditions. What I discovered by using the hypnodiagnostic evaluation was that when this client patient was very young, about 9 years old, her father had become ill and she was afraid he would die. So she prayed intensely and promised God that if he allowed her father to live, that she would never get pregnant and have a baby. And sure enough, her father lived, and she indeed never did get pregnant, even though she was married and ready for a family. Now, what is amazing about this memory is the fact that it was only recallable under hypnosis. And incidentally, this lady did in fact get pregnant after this memory recall and additional treatment, hypnotherapeutic treatment. And no doubt, I'm sure that there are non-believers out there who will say that the memory recall this client patient had under hypnosis was something she got from her imagination, and her getting pregnant was bound to happen sooner or later. Well, the fact remains. She didn't get pregnant until she got the psychiatric hypnosis treatment. And I want to thank you for considering this case report, and I hope it gives you additional belief and faith in the tremendous healing power of hypnosis. Incidentally, I do know something about the hypnotic infertility treatment. You see, I did a 4.5-year doctoral dissertation on the use of hypnosis for the treatment of psychogenic infertility. And I also did a clinical observation in an infertility clinic. I'm not a medical doctor, and I'm not practicing medicine, but I am practicing psychiatric hypnosis. Thank you for listening, and I once again hope that you gained insight into the tremendous ability of hypnosis for healing.